The turbine is connected to a centrifugal blower. The rotation of the turbine rotates the blower. The blower rotation causes air from the engine room to pass through an air filter, cooler, water separator and delivers to the scavenge air receiver. The scavenge air receiver has an inner and an outer compartment with a set of non-return valves between them. From the outer compartment, air enters the inner compartment. From the inner compartment, the scavenge air enters the cylinders when the piston uncovers the scavenge ports towards the end of its downward stroke. An electric motor drives the auxiliary blower. During maneuvering, auxiliary blower draws air from the outer compartment and delivers to the inner compartment via another set of non-return valves. The operation of the blower is automatic. The blower starts whenever the scavenge air pressure drops below a preset limit. It stops automatically when the pressure is sufficient. If the turbocharger breaks down, the auxiliary blower delivers sufficient air to run the engine at reduced power to reach the next port.